Hello everyone, welcome to Gender Mainstreaming in Peacekeeping Operations 6 weeks online course. My name is Olivera Simic and I'm the course convener of this exciting and challenging course. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and learn about each of you over the next couple of weeks through this online format. You will also have a wonderful opportunity to meet each other as well and learn a lot from your colleagues. I'm sure that your colleagues are also eager to get to know you, so I would like to ask you to introduce yourself to the class in this coming week. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a lecturer with the Griffith Law School in Brisbane, Australia, and I teach international law and evidence law to my law students. My research expertise is in international peacekeeping, gender and war crimes, and transitional justice, and I extensively teach and publish in this area. Over the last couple of years, I've been teaching in Australia, Serbia and Bosnia and Herzegovina, the country where I'm coming from originally, and I really enjoy meeting people like you who are coming from various backgrounds and have unique cultural, linguistic and other experiences and expertise to draw on in discussions and to share with their colleagues. So please do use forum to tell us about these experiences, which I regard as one of the major assets of this course. I myself have been working with the UN mission in Bosnia, and I will use my experience to enrich the course. In this course we will cover the wide range of issues. The course, as you could see in your syllabus, is divided into 6 different sessions. In the first session, we are looking at the dynamics of peacekeeping operations and humanitarian assistance from a gender perspective. We will start by looking at the broader context of peacekeeping operations and the language used in UN documents and resolutions, in particular Security Council Resolution 1325. We will critically analyze the ways in which women are often represented in these documents and also deconstruct the common stereotypes and assumptions about women in peacekeeping operations. Session 2 looks at gender mainstreaming in peacekeeping, and one of the main questions we will raise in this session is what are some of the main challenges for mainstreaming gender in peacekeeping, and whether the presence of women in peacekeeping change the peacekeeping hypermasculine environment. In session 3 we will look at one of the most controversial topics for both UN and scholars, and that is sexual exploitation and abuse by peacekeepers. Together we will explore some of the main reasons for growing number of sexual exploitation and abuse cases in peacekeeping operations and the impact of sexual exploitation and abuse on local societies. In session 4 we will talk about gender responses in humanitarian assistance and see whether and why humanitarian workers need to apply gender lenses when working with population in need. Session 5 is about applying gender-sensitive humanitarian framework and designing a gender-sensitive action plan for humanitarian interventions that benefits women, men, girls and boys. And finally, in the last session, we will analyze through gender lenses post-conflict reconstruction and ask ourselves whether and why it is important that women play an active and formal role in peace building. I hope that by the end of this course you will be able to deconstruct gender roles in peacekeeping and humanitarian assistance. I do count on your full participation in this course and your high motivation to learn and share with others. Finally, I believe that the success of this course is our mutual responsibility, so I rely on you in achieving this goal. Before we start with the first session, please familiarize yourself with the course syllabus and ask any questions if you have. You should also familiarize yourself with the Moodle platform that we are using for this course. There is a link to tutorial that you can take so you know all the functions and features of the Moodle. It should be pretty easy and straightforward to use it, but if you have any questions, please do ask. Please also read your classmates' posts and reply to them if you wish. That is the form that we should use to learn from each other. So once again, welcome to the course, and I'm looking forward to seeing you online.